This is a 4-bed plus an office, a little over 2,400 square feet, huge front porch. Energy Plus home. It's a 4 Series house. It's on the water. This is the side of the home. This is the back of the house. Beautiful lot. It's on the water. Huge back porch with a sun patio area. It's got an outdoor gas fireplace. Door coming out of the master bedroom there. Then another door coming out of the dining room there. That's the living room. Just kind of panning around here. That's your view. This is coming into the house. Huge porch. We come into an entry area. A lot of detail work on this home. First thing you see is the office. Custom built desk. We're at the front of the house. Back up, now we're looking into the living room. See the fireplace, floating shelves. We did a farmhouse theme on this as far as the lighting goes. That's beautiful. Then I'm going to pan around. It's an open floor plan. Now you're seeing a huge island. Seeing the kitchen. That's the dining area, more detail work. You got a great view. No matter where you're looking at, you're able to see out onto the water. Built-ins. Now this particular one has got a huge pantry. Turn the light on the subject. Big walk-in pantry. Oversized gas cooktop, that's 36 inch. This does have a pot filler. And then we come on in. And this door goes out to the garage. So when you come in from the outside, the first thing you've got is a half bath here. And then you come to the utility room. So now we got the utility room, and this has got a pocket door, so it goes on into the master closet. So we back up. This is the master bed, and at this point we're at the back of the house. So this door goes onto the back porch. Great view. A lot of woodwork. And it's a big master. And we come into the master bath, which is really large. This door goes to the enclosed toilet room. And you got a jetted tub here. And then big vanity double sinks, big medicine cabinet. And then we go into the master shower. Got a bench here. A lot of detail work on this one. Got a big cubby here. That looks really cool. You come back out. We're going down here to the master closet, which is good size. And we've just maxed it out as far as clothes hanging space. And then just walk through into the utility room, hallway from the garage, back into the kitchen, and then down here we have the other bedrooms. To the left, you got a bedroom here. These are all good size. We're at the front of the house. And we come on down. This is a 2.5 bath house. So we have another bedroom here. And all of these have got big closets in them. And we come in, now we are accessing the hall bath. And this is a big bath. It's got double sinks, a lot of woodwork, and a linen closet in here. But we also done this to where the bathtub and the toilet is in a separate room. And we come on back. Now we're going to the back of the house. And this one's actually got a walk-in closet. And then we walk out here, little short hall. Then we're back into the living, kitchen area. It's a big living room. And then that's the front of the house. And that's beautiful. Little paint accent, primarily stain.